Hey guys, my name is Elena and I'm a graphic designer. And this is my channel for beginners in Adobe Illustrator. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the main accessory of any summer. And this is sunglasses. If you're interested, please keep watching. At first we need to find a pic of our sunglasses. I do it on the Google. I think I like these sunglasses. Yep, it's great. Now this is our workspace and this is our colors. And let's start. This is our photo. Let's make it closer. We need ellipse tool and ellipse here. And now we need warp tool and move it like me. We need the shape of our sunglasses. Yes, that's great. It's okay, it's not perfect, but we fix it. Now we need smooth tool and make like me. Go on the whole contour. Now let's look to our shape. Yes, not bad, I like it. Now let's look like this. Yep, great shape. Now we need here pen tool and the line here and black stroke and this brush and here one is great, and here pen tool and one more, a little rounded line. Yep, make our photo a little smaller and select this shape and object path, offset path -4. Okay. Now this color and move our light gray shape a little right and a little down. Now select both shapes and bring to front. Let's look, it's great. Now here we need black and white gradient 90 and here we need this color and here we need this color and here this color. Now move the sliders like me. Great job. Now we need to add some details. So we need pen tool and draw here like me. Yep. It's not perfect, but I fix it. Move here anchor and select anchor and a little rounded corner and make it a little bigger, it will be more pretty. A little down, now a little up. And one more detail, we need rectangle tool here. Yep. And now with the help of direct selection, select these anchors and rounded corners. Now they need add anchor point tool. Here one anchor and move it here. Select these anchors and a little closer to our sunglasses. And now we need any dark gray color and pen tool, and here draw like me. Yep, it's great, and send to back. Let's look. Yes, great shape. And group it, copy and paste it, and transform, reflect, vertical. Okay, and put it here. Now align it. Great job. Now here let's make 1.5, and now we need this shape. Select all sunglasses without this line, group it and align it with this line. Yes, select this line, warp, arc, here -5, preview, great, okay, object, expand appearance, and select it. Yes, a little up. Let's look closer. Our line not perfect, delete it. And we need pen tool, and we need to draw a new line here. Yes, it's great. Now this brush 1.5. Yes, now select sunglasses and this line and align it. Now select this line and delete full, and object, expand appearance, effect, warp, arc, and here 5, -5, okay, object, expand appearance, and a little up. Great. Let's look. Yes, I like it. Select all sunglasses, object, expand appearance, make it bigger, delete this peak, and select sunglasses and put it here. Now we need ellipse tool and black and white gradient, and one ellipse here, and this slider move here, and here we need white gradient, and these sliders put here and these here. Now send to back, effect, blur, Gaussian blur, these settings. Okay, now put it here and a little left. Yes, I like it. Now copy and paste it and put it here. Send to back. Now if you want to add background for your sunglasses, let's look, for example, this color and send it back. You see your shadows not perfect, so we need opacity and multiply, and now your shadows are perfect. Okay, let's delete our background and let's look. Okay, our sunglasses are ready.
Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe and give me a like. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you want to share with me your works, you can do it on my Instagram account. The link will be under this video. And see you soon, guys. Bye!